It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Tuesday, the 4th of January. I'm James Spann. A beautiful, sunny, cool day today, but rain comes back on Thursday. We might see a wintry mix over parts of the Tennessee Valley at some point Thursday. So let's get in here and talk about it. There's the upper air look, the flow pattern today, where the pressure is 500 millibars. That's about 18,000 feet off the ground. A zonal flow and a very dry air mass. Visible satellite view. The sky sunny across the state. Temperatures are mostly in the upper 40s, low to mid 50s. Birmingham 54. That's exactly average for the 4th day of January. There's our watch warning map. Winter storm issues up north. Many states under winter weather advisories. A blizzard warning for parts of the Dakotas and Minnesota. But down here, things are quiet. No thunderstorms across the country today. A pretty stable air mass in place. Tomorrow, maybe a clap of thunder for the Outer Banks of North Carolina. And on day 3, which is Thursday, there could be a few thunderstorms over extreme South Alabama, places like Mobile, Gulf Shores, and Dothan. But for most of the state, just some light rain at times with colder air dropping in. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Heaviest rain, the northern Pacific coast. For Alabama, the amount's generally 1 to 1.5 inches for the northern half of the state, under 1 inch for the south. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 3. Troughing north of the state. Another nice day for Alabama. The sky will be sunny to start the day, but clouds will likely increase by afternoon. But the day will be dry. High, once again, should be in the middle 50s. So Thursday, here comes some rain with a cold front coming in and an upper trough. And again, the GFS is suggesting that the air could be cold enough over the Tennessee Valley for a wintry mix. Let's go to the high-res NAM. This is Thursday morning at 8 o'clock. And at that point, again, there could be some sleet involved, maybe a few snowflakes over the Tennessee Valley, especially the northeastern parts. So at the onset, there could be a little bit of sleet and snow. And this is 3 o'clock, and as cold air begins to move in, there's a chance the rain could change to light snow over the Tennessee Valley. And again, this is mainly along and north of the Tennessee River, places like Florence, Athens, Huntsville, and Scottsboro. For the rest of the state, just some rain at times. Otherwise, cloudy and colder with highs in the 40s. This is a look at the European Thursday afternoon. And again, it's got the idea of that wintry mix over the Tennessee Valley with snow for Tennessee. And again, rain for most of the state. And this is the expected snow accumulation coming off the European model, and you can see the better chance of snow on the ground over Tennessee, although there might be a little bit over extreme North Alabama. So if you're in Huntsville, Florence, Athens, Scottsboro, or points north, just kind of watch the weather carefully on Thursday. But for the rest of the state, just some rain at times. Friday, going to be cold. Friday morning, lows down around 20. The wind chill index down around 10. The sky becoming sunny, the high only in the upper 30s. This is Saturday as the weekend begins. We start the day in the 20s. The high will be in the 50s, rain off to the west. And then another cold front coming in here Sunday with more rain. Sunday's high should be in the upper 50s. There might be a little thunder, but we don't expect any severe weather. And a pretty cold air mass behind that. This is Monday. The core of the cold air shunted a little north of the state, but Monday should be colder with highs back in the 40s, and the rain should end very early in the day Monday. And a week from today, Tuesday the 11th, a northwest flow aloft and a sunny day. We start the day in the 20s. The high will likely be in the 40s. Let's go out 10 days. Friday of next week, the 14th of January, troughing over the northeast, and evidence of some light rain across the southern counties of the state. If this verifies, and we all know this is 10 days out, this will probably change. Rain for Birmingham between now and the 19th of January, the mean about 2 inches. Temperatures, cold shots coming in here, one on Friday, another one early next week, but on many days, highs in the 50s and lows in the 30s, and that's average for this time of the year. And hot off the presses, the brand new CPC outlook. This is for the 12th through the 18th. And if this verifies, temperatures around here will likely be very close to average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with two N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.